Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'll be sharing another way of making tandoori chicken. This time I'll be using tandoori masala by Malka Foods, and also I'll be using their ginger and garlic paste as well. And then I am using about 2 pounds of chicken, or about one and a half kg. So a little bit more than 2 pounds, almost 3 pounds of chicken, which is 6 legs and 6 thighs. So 12 pieces altogether. And then just 1 box of masala mix. And also I have ginger garlic paste. I need 2 tablespoons of. And the recipe requires for lemon juice about 1 cup, but I'm using a half cup, and also I'm using a 1/4 cup of oil. So 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half cup of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of oil. And then I have 1 cup of yogurt, stirred yogurt. I'm adding a list of all the ingredients from the back of the box. So there I'm just going to add half a cup of lemon juice to the chicken. Quick mix, and then I'll go ahead and add the other ingredients. So I'll start with yogurt. So just add the yogurt, and remember, we can always add lemon, more lemon after the chicken is done. So there, ginger and garlic paste. So that's why I like to only use a half cup. And then add more if I need to after the chicken is done. So there I'm just gonna add 1/4 cup of oil, not half cup. Again, they're asking for half cup, but I can again use it later if I feel the need while I'm grilling the chicken. So there, whole pack of Malka Foods tandoori masala. And so actually, I was very happy with the taste of this, because when I use the other tandoori masala, I always add my own red chilies and like other ingredients. But this time I only wanted to use their spice mix and see the turnout, and the turnout was actually really great. And again, I like the no MSG factor in their spices. So I just like the outcome of the taste, like the food as well, because it doesn't give me a headache, or it doesn't have that extra heavy flavor. So there, as usual, I mean, it's not barbecue season yet, but I was hoping to barbecue the chicken, but we had a lot of rain that day. So I thought, okay, I'll go with the plan B, which is also back of the box, and it's they're asking to bake it or roast it in the oven. I personally don't like to do that, because I feel it turns like, I just don't like tandoori chicken very juicy. I personally like it when it's grilled on the barbecue. And also I showed another way of making the chicken, which is to cook it in a pot, and then just put it in the oven to grill it for 5 minutes. But I thought, okay, I'll bake the chicken this time and see how it turns out. Since I was working with the thighs and the legs, I had them all placed in the baking dish, and I had it in the oven for about 40 minutes. So there, I was left with a lot of the spice, like the batter, and instead of throwing it away, I thought I'll use it. So the chicken is there. Chicken is fully marinated overnight, and I still have all this left. So instead of wasting it, I had a lot of cube of chicken stock, and I'll make my own gravy. Obviously it'll be a spicy gravy, but then if I make some fries, I can make poutine. So I just add the chicken cube or the broth cube into the masala, and then I added a cup of water, and I started cooking it on low heat while I placed the chicken tray inside the oven. Once the oven was heated, and I will let it bake for about 30 minutes, and then when I checked on it, I was left with, look at all the gravy I was left with. So I added all that gravy into the pot where I was making the gravy with the leftover masala and the chicken stock. And then as the chicken, I roasted chicken, I was cooking the gravy on like a medium heat until it gets thick. So there, I'll just turn the chicken at this point and just leave about like enough gravy in the tray so the chicken doesn't get too dry. I mean, we don't want it to be like very hard as well, so we leave a little bit gravy. And then there I threw the fries in the oven as well on another tray, and my gravy is almost ready. And the chicken went back in the oven. Instead of baking, I switched the setting to roast the chicken or grill the chicken for 5 minutes on high heat. And the gravy is ready as well, and the fries were ready with the chicken. So you can make the fries any way you want. You can fry them, or you can put them in the oven and let them cook there while you're cooking the chicken. There should be a way, and I'm sure everyone knows how to bake the fries in the oven. So there, my chicken is ready, and the turnout was great because I took the gravy out, and then the fries are also really nice and golden. And so there, I'm just going to have some chicken, and then the gravy you can use on top of the fries, or you can just have it as on the side of the chicken. So if you want to dip your bread in there, or if you want to pour it over rice, it's great for that as well. It's a really delicious gravy because it has all the lemon and the tandoori masala. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and leave any questions in the comments below. Thank you.